One of my favorites, of course, Yoshi and Super Mario Brothers. And we're going to send it to the actual system so you guys can see. Sending it out there, and that's pretty much how it works. All right, today we're going to bring an LED display system. So we're going to take a look at it and see how you install it. Now, they give you a long cable. I connected it to a USB because it does have a power connection, and then it has a power button here so you could turn it on right now. It's going to try to sync it up with the actual system. We haven't set it up on our phone, but we're going to set it up in a bit. Now, they give you these straps here so you can actually line them up and lock them in place anywhere you want to set them up. Also, these chains that you can hang them in as a sign. You can put this as we open hours, temporary out of control, or pretty much a lot of things that you could set up in here. You can even set up on your vehicle. They do give you a double-sided adhesive here, tapes that you could actually set them up and put them in your vehicle, because they do actually give you a lighter installation kit. And they also give you instructions on step-by-step on how to install it. Right now, we're going to actually download the application and show you guys how to work it. So in order to download the application, you're going to need to download, if you guys can see, Spot LED, and we're going to set it up. All right, so we're going to go ahead and pair the system. It's working well. Now you're able to do a couple of things. So let's go to the actual animation that they have. You go to photos, allow the system, allow while you're using it, and you can take a picture of anything pretty much. So let me take a picture of me, picture of it, say okay to this one, and pretty much we're going to use that picture in there, say okay. And this is how it's going to look at the pixelation. Say, play it, and it's going to send it there. You guys can see it. So it's upside down right now. You guys can see, but you can actually see the picture that I just sent in with the LED lights. Let's go back and make some other changes. We're going to go to the templates that they have. We're going to go in the settings, and they got multiple templates. So I set up my actual picture in here. You guys can see, we're going to do a Tom and Jerry animation. You guys can see, I'm going to send it down to the actual system, hit play, and look at this. It takes a couple minutes because it has to push the actual animation into the actual, through Bluetooth to the actual system. But look at this. There's a little animation. You can see it well, even from a long distance, but here, very close, I'm not able to see it very well from my angle, but if I stand around 3 or 4 feet away from it, you're going to be able to see this animation. And this is playing out of my phone automatically. And then here, they got multiple different animations that you can do. Awesome animation. You can have this anywhere set up. One of the best things I like to do, probably setting up on a desktop computer on the side angle, animating constantly, or your notebook, or you could pretty much tape it up anywhere. Now, another great thing is that if you are a taxi driver, you want to do graffiti, you can actually type in, I'm just going to put in here, Frank, a little short there, but it'll work. Hit play, it's going to send that. Whatever you type in here, it automatically do. So here you could do your own animation too. They have a section for your own animation. Audio, this is a perfect thing for audio. I'm going to show you guys right now. It's playing the audio automatically. They have plenty of different options you can do on this, not just voice activations. They have animations, they have AI systems, a lot of various systems. It's very simple to install, very simple to get it up and running. So hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.